Hey guys, so this is a 2008 Equinox and we're doing a quick change of the brake lights. The bulb's burnt out, and then this should only take about 2 minutes to do this, considering you have the bulb already. So if you guys are ever stuck somewhere and you get pulled over, you can actually, if the cop's actually gracious enough, the police officer, he will actually let you change your light bulbs fairly quickly if you can. So anyhow, now once you've loosened this up, just kind of loosen this up, and there's a little thing in here that kind of allow you just like open this up very quickly. There you go. Once you heard that pop, it's out. Okay, so here it is. This is the one I'm trying to change, this one here. There you go. So evidence of burned, it's a little darker. Push and turn. Yeah. Anyways, notice the, can you see that? I can see it's 2057F, and I got the same one, 2057F.
Did you just cut your...
Don't worry, it's a minor, it's nothing big. In any case, turn, push, and match up. There you go, lock. Right, that was that lock we pushed over. Match it up. Okay, and then back with the screw. Again, this is probably not even 2 minutes.
It's actually almost 5 minutes.
No, 2 minutes from the time I actually begin. A 6-year-old can do this, guys, but just not in the middle of the road. But find yourself getting pulled over and the cops is trying to ticket you for this. If you have a spare bulb in the car, graciously ask him to let you change it on the spot. If you know how to do it and you have the right tools,
They really ticket you.
there you go.
You don't know
Done.
your bulb is gone.